In 2024, the Odysseus spacecraft, launched by Intuitive Machines in space, landed on the moon's south polar cap. Attached to the lander is an art installation by artist Jeff Koons involving 125 mini moons, and we had a hand in it with the help of metal binder jet 3D printing.
Very exciting project, because artists are uncompromising in what they want. They're less likely to agree to changing a design for manufacturability. They want what they want, and they don't want to compromise. Jeff Koons wanted an exact replica of the moon, including all craters, mountains, valleys, and everything that was visible from space and from the Earth.
For those who aren't familiar with the work of Jeff Koons, he's an American artist who is known for his sculpture. He's very well known in the fine art world. With the launch of Odysseus, he was approached to make 125 small moon sculptures, each representing different phases of the moon. And each of them have been given a name ranging from Plato to David Bowie, so just all these historic figures.
These were printed many times over and over on the shop system for evaluation and then eventually to put into the permanent installation. What you see right here is an exact replica of the moon with all of its pits and valleys, craters and mountains, and in fact, completely hollow so that all of the mass of this stainless steel sphere has been removed so that it didn't cost that much to launch 125 of these things up into space. And during the laser polishing process, different cover gases were used to change the color that was achievable on the surface of the moon. In February of 2024, the lunar lander Odysseus dropped onto the surface of the moon with this art installation, and that's where it exists now and where it'll exist forever. And did you bring us some moon pizza?
I did. I brought us some moon pizza from Blue Moon Pizzeria in Norwell, Massachusetts, known for their sweet buffalo chicken pizza, which I have not tried yet, but I'm looking forward to. What we have here is a lunar landscape of cheese, tender white meat chicken breast. It's got a little bit of tang. It is very sweet. What do you think?
They do a great job. I'm surprised at how sweet and tangy it is. It's perfect for a pizza. It's really out of this world.